My friends, maximum time we are thinking, I cannot speak English. It is hard for me. Is it true? English is hard for me? No, my friends. English also like a little baby. How a little baby is learning his own language, his mother tongue. How? First, that little baby is listening. Then, that baby is observing what their parents are saying each other, or they are talking each other. And the villagers also talking each other. First, that baby observing and that baby trying to following them. Then slowly he's speaking his mother tongue. Like that, English is a little baby. We have to listen English song, English story, English cartoon, English movie. We have to create English society. No matter how much we know, we have to talk with our friends, with our parents, with our any friends, cousin, colleagues, classmate, little. If we will start slowly, really, when we will talk, that time that word will come automatically. That's why we have to practice. That is not hard much.